In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload music on Distrokid with a new artist name. If this is your first release under a fresh moniker, I'll guide you through the full upload so your music lands in stores smoothly. Start by heading to Distrokid, then log in or create an account if you're new. Once you're in, begin a new upload and choose whether you're releasing a single, an EP, or an album. Pick the option that matches the number of tracks you're putting out right now so the stores categorize it correctly. In the artist band name field, type your new artist name exactly how you want it to appear everywhere. If the name doesn't already exist, stores will automatically create a brand new artist profile for you. Keep the formatting clean and professional. No emojis, no styling the entire name in all caps unless that's truly your official name, no official, and no extra symbols. Stores can reject releases for that. Also, double check spelling, capitalization, and any accent marks now. Once it's live, changes can take time. Quick note, if you already release under another artist name and want to add this new one, you'll need a Distrokid plan that supports 2 or more artist names. Next, upload your music file. A WAV is recommended with a 16-bit 44.1 kHz format as the standard many stores prefer. A high-quality MP3 can work, but lossless WAV delivers the best result. Make sure it's your final master and that the audio starts and ends cleanly. Add your cover artwork. Aim for a square image at 3000 by 3000 pixels in JPG or PNG. Keep it sharp, not blurry, and only use content you fully own the rights to. Center key elements so the art displays well in different crops. Fill in your song information carefully. Enter the song title, choose the genre, set the language, and mark the explicit lyrics setting accurately. For songwriter information, list the songwriter names using real legal names as required by the stores. Choose your release date. You can drop it immediately or schedule it for the future. Scheduling is often best if you plan to pitch to playlists or set up pre-saves. Giving yourself at least a couple of weeks helps with processing and outreach. Select the stores where you want your music to appear, like Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, YouTube Music, and Amazon Music. Most artists choose all major platforms, but tailor it to your goals. Finally, review everything and click Submit or Done. Distrokid will deliver your release to the stores you selected and notify you as it goes live.